Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Now guys, let's take a look at the gold market. So everything goes with our scenario by far. So now, at least by my opinion, it seems that we start getting some bullish signs on the lower time frames and overall view that we have on hourly chart. I will show you a bit later. That's around the hand shoulders that we discussed. Now it seems more signs of the coming failure than it was yesterday. Because yesterday it was absolutely normal. Head and shoulders market was dropping back to the neckline, but today the situation is changing. So probably some activity might happen on the payrolls report. It's difficult to say, but currently the overall background stands supportive for the gold. So despite how cynic this sounds, but in the Middle East, as you know, we have informed you in the Telegram as well. So situation becomes really hot. So many countries of the region right now directly or indirectly involving in this conflict. And today is important day also will be, just because today some announcement should be from the Hezbollah leader. So it also really could change the overall balance of the forces in the Middle East. Algeria parliament, as you know, yesterday was voted to provide the rights to the president to start war action, military action against Israel, and Algeria is not a Palestine. So they have the submarines, they have the tanks, so planes. So this is really serious, and that was concerning the geopolitical situation. In the financial background, you could see what's going on. So in general, on the dollar index, you could see this performance, keeping bearish grabbers, suggesting possible downward action. We discussed this in the euro currency. While on the 10-year yield, you could see the drop yesterday, so to the 4.6%. So it's also supportive for the performance of the gold. Gold itself, you can see, grabber is valid. Market is starting some upward action. So grabbers are just taken out of this top. And we already said that our primary scenario right now, instead of the hand shoulders that we thought initially, currently we consider 3 drive. And you can see that trend has turned bullish on the 4 time frame chart. This market is forming sideways action, which is absolutely not typical for any hand and shoulders pattern. It's suggesting target round, as we said, 2020, 2024. That will be nearest destination point. It doesn't mean that market definitely should stop here and turn down, but at least this is the just nearest standing target. Who knows, maybe it will be achieved even today, because a lot of events should happen today, and see what will happen. On the lower time frame, speaking about the hourly chart that I just tell you in the beginning, so let's take a look what has happened. Yesterday was the drop back to the neckline. So it was actually forming the hand and shoulders. Yes, here we see compounding shoulders, so the market has forming the waves around the shoulder a few times. Here theoretically might be the same stuff. The market just could show also some compounding, chopping shoulder here. But taking it all together, it seems that this type of action, it might be the starting of the upward continuation. So just as an indicator of the breakout, you could consider the level around 1990. So this top, if market will break it up and start moving to the 1995, as we said yesterday, that probably will be the sign that hand shoulders is failing and market is aimed for upward continuation. So that's what we have currently on gold. Since we have clear grabber pattern on the daily, we are not considering taking the short position by far. So speaking on the buying euro or not, this is up to you. This is because you will have to pass through the payrolls report. If you're ready and you indeed would like to buy the gold, well, I do not see any big barriers for that. So because overall background stand positive, and well, at least from the technical point of view, this will be no mistake. We do not know what will happen on the payrolls. Maybe some other news might be really shaking, but in the current moment, I would say that context on the gold market stands bullish.